Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pepper steak. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. Selecting the right cut of beef is crucial. Opt for a tender cut such as sirloin or flank steak, about 1.5 pounds. You'll also need a variety of colorful bell peppers, 1 large onion, and fresh garlic. Don't forget the savory sauce, typically made with soy sauce, beef broth, and a thickening agent like cornstarch, ensuring a rich flavor. Now, let's prepare our ingredients for cooking. Begin by slicing your chosen beef, cut thinly against the grain into strips approximately 2 inches long and 1/4 inch thick. This technique ensures tenderness. Next, cut your bell peppers and onion into uniform 1-inch pieces for even cooking. Finally, mince about 2 cloves of fresh garlic and grate 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger, adding aromatic depth to your dish. With everything prepped, it's time to cook. Heat a large wok or skillet over high heat with 1 tablespoon of oil. Sear the beef in batches for 2 to 3 minutes until beautifully browned, then set aside. Next, add the bell peppers and onions, sautéing them for 3 to 5 minutes until they are crisp tender. Finally, return the beef to the pan, pour in your prepared sauce, and simmer for 5 minutes until thickened. Your delicious pepper steak is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately over a bed of fluffy white rice, allowing the rich sauce to meld perfectly with the grains. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh chopped green onions or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. This hearty and flavorful dish pairs wonderfully with a simple side salad or some steamed vegetables, making for a complete and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.